Have you ever wondered what it takes to turn a mountain of ripe pineapples into millions of liters of delicious, refreshing juice? Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey deep into the heart of a state-of-the-art pineapple juice factory. From the moment the pineapples arrive to the final packaging of the juice, we'll show you every step of the process, and trust me, it's a story of nature, science, and a whole lot of hard work. It all begins on the farm. The pineapples that fuel this massive operation are grown under ideal tropical conditions, nurtured by expert farmers who know exactly when they're at peak ripeness. Their vibrant color and sweet aroma are a promise of the burst of flavor locked inside. Let's step inside the factory and see how these humble fruits are transformed into the juice you love. As the delivery trucks roll in, every crate of pineapples is met with careful attention. First, the fruits are offloaded and taken to a dedicated quality control area. Here, trained technicians inspect each pineapple for ripeness, size, and overall quality. It's a bit like a first date. Every pineapple has to impress before it gets a chance to shine. Imagine hundreds of pineapples arriving at once, each one waiting to reveal its true potential. These experts look for the perfect balance of sweetness and acidity, ensuring that only the best fruits make it into the production line. Anything that doesn't meet the standards is set aside. After all, when you're aiming for millions of liters of top-notch juice, there's no room for compromise. This rigorous quality check is vital. It ensures that every bottle of pineapple juice that eventually reaches your table is bursting with authentic flavor. And while it might seem like a small step, this attention to detail sets the stage for everything that follows. Once the pineapples pass the quality test, they're ushered into the next stage, washing. Think of this as a refreshing spa treatment for the fruits. Here, every pineapple is thoroughly rinsed to remove dirt, debris, and any lingering traces of pesticides. This isn't just about cleanliness, it's about preparing the fruit for the intricate process of juice extraction. In these high-powered wash stations, pineapples are gently scrubbed and rinsed under carefully controlled conditions. The water is filtered and recycled to maintain efficiency and sustainability, a nod to modern environmental practices. This step ensures that no matter how busy the production line gets, every pineapple is as pristine as nature intended. It's fascinating to see how a process that might seem mundane at first, just washing fruit, actually involves a complex balance of technology and care. The machines are calibrated to handle thousands of fruits per hour, making sure that each one is evenly cleaned without being damaged. Now comes the heart of the operation, transforming these whole pineapples into pure, luscious juice. The first step in this stage is cutting and peeling. Using a combination of human skill and advanced machinery, each pineapple is carefully sliced open and stripped of its tough outer skin. This isn't done haphazardly. The goal is to maximize the amount of juice while minimizing waste. Picture this, a pineapple is carefully placed on a conveyor belt, then whisked past high-precision cutting tools. These blades slice off the skin in one smooth motion, preserving the sweet, fibrous fruit inside. Any residual rind or blemish is quickly removed by secondary machines, ensuring that only the best parts of the fruit move forward. After peeling, the fruit is cut into smaller pieces. This preparation is crucial for the next stage, juice extraction. The pineapple chunks are fed into powerful extraction machines designed to press out every drop of liquid. Imagine a giant fruit press, operating at high speed but with delicate precision. The natural juice flows out, rich in flavor and nutrients, while the leftover pulp is collected separately. Here, technology and tradition meet. While machines do the heavy lifting, the essence of the fruit, the natural sweetness and vibrant tang, is captured in every drop. And because this process is carefully controlled, the resulting juice retains the authenticity of fresh pineapple, making it taste as if it were squeezed just moments before it reached you. With the juice extracted, the next step is to ensure it's both safe and exceptionally delicious. The freshly squeezed pineapple juice is first passed through a series of filtration systems. These filters remove any lingering pulp or impurities, leaving behind a crystal clear liquid that's perfect for bottling. Filtration is much like polishing a gem. It's about refining the juice to reveal its true brilliance. After this, the juice undergoes pasteurization. Now, pasteurization might sound like a technical term, but it's really the secret to making sure the juice stays fresh and safe for consumption. In this process, the juice is gently heated to a precise temperature for just the right amount of time to eliminate any harmful bacteria without compromising the natural flavor. It's a delicate balance. Too much heat and you risk losing that fresh, tangy taste. Too little and you might not eliminate all the bacteria. The factory's state-of-the-art equipment is designed to achieve that perfect equilibrium. Every drop is tested in real time. Samples are taken and analyzed in on-site labs to ensure the juice meets stringent quality standards. Quality control doesn't stop with pasteurization. At multiple points throughout the production line, both machines and human experts check the juice for consistency and flavor, color, and nutritional value. This multi-layered approach means that by the time the juice reaches the packaging stage, it has passed some of the strictest tests in the industry. It's all about delivering a product that's as refreshing and healthy as it is delicious. Now that the juice is perfectly filtered, pasteurized, and quality checked, it's time for the final transformation. From a liquid marvel in giant tanks to a consumer-ready product, the packaging area is a hive of activity. Here, the clear, vibrant juice is carefully filled into bottles, cans, or cartons, each designed to protect the precious liquid inside and preserve its flavor. Automation plays a huge role here. High-speed filling machines work in perfect sync with capping and labeling systems. Every bottle is filled to the brim with fresh pineapple juice, sealed to lock in its natural goodness, and then labeled with care. Each label tells the story of its journey, from the lush pineapple fields to the modern marvel of a factory that produces millions of liters every year. Once packaged, the juice is moved into large, temperature-controlled storage areas. This ensures that even before it leaves the factory, the juice is kept at the ideal temperature to maintain its flavor and freshness. And then the final step, distribution. Massive trucks, refrigerated containers, and dedicated logistics teams work around the clock to deliver this liquid sunshine to stores, cafes, and homes across the country and even around the world. Every bottle or carton that reaches you has traveled a long and carefully managed journey. From the meticulous care taken at every step of production to the efficient logistics that bring the juice to market, it's a process engineered for quality, consistency, and pure, unadulterated taste. What really makes this factory extraordinary isn't just the technology or the large-scale machinery, it's the people behind it. Every day, dedicated workers and expert technicians collaborate to ensure that the process runs like a well-oiled machine. They share a passion for quality and a commitment to turning each pineapple into something truly special. From the moment the pineapples arrive until the juice is ready for distribution, every step of the process is a team effort. It's the human touch that brings creativity, problem solving, and a sense of pride to an otherwise industrial process, and it's this passion that you can taste in every drop of juice. Listening to these stories, you can't help but feel a connection to the journey of each pineapple. It's not just about mass production, it's about celebrating nature's bounty and the artistry of modern manufacturing. As we wrap up our tour, let's take a moment to appreciate the full circle of this incredible process. We started with pineapples grown under the tropical sun, moved through meticulous cleaning, precise cutting, and high-tech extraction, and ended with pasteurization, quality control, and efficient packaging. Each stage is designed with one goal in mind: to deliver the freshest, most flavorful pineapple juice possible. Whether you're pouring it into your morning smoothie or sipping it on a hot afternoon, every glass of pineapple juice is the result of an intricate dance of nature, technology, and human dedication. It's a testament to what can be achieved when passion meets precision and when every drop matters. Now that you've seen the full journey, from farm to factory and from factory to your glass, it's clear that making millions of liters of pineapple juice isn't just a process. It's a story of care, innovation, and teamwork. Every step is a reminder that behind the convenience of a packaged beverage lies a fascinating blend of nature's gifts and human ingenuity. Next time you enjoy a refreshing sip of pineapple juice, take a moment to think about the journey it's been on. From the lush fields where the pineapples grow to the modern machines that work around the clock, it's all been crafted with one thing in mind, bringing you the very best of nature's sweetness. And if you're curious to see more behind the scenes stories of how everyday items are made, be sure to subscribe and follow along as we uncover more industrial marvels in action. Let's recap the amazing journey of the pineapple. First, quality control ensures that only the finest fruits make it into the process. Next, a thorough washing and pre-processing cleanse the pineapples, preparing them for transformation. Then, the careful peeling and cutting extract the pure juice, which is then filtered and pasteurized to perfection. Finally, the juice is packaged, stored, and shipped out, ready for you to enjoy. Every step is a crucial link in a chain that connects tropical orchards to your kitchen table. It's a process that's both impressive in its scale and intimate in its attention to detail. Before we say goodbye, I want to share a little insight from someone who's been part of this process for years. Meet Maria, a veteran on the production line who has seen it all. When asked what makes working here special, she simply said, "It's not just about making juice, it's about making something that brings people together, that adds a little brightness to their day." Maria's story is just one of many in this bustling facility. Each worker brings their unique passion and dedication, contributing to the collective effort that makes this factory a true marvel of modern production. As our tour comes to an end, we're reminded that the journey of a pineapple from the field to your fridge is nothing short of extraordinary. It's a journey that combines the beauty of nature with the precision of technology, driven by a team that truly believes in quality and innovation. So the next time you pour a glass of pineapple juice, remember the amazing process that made it possible. It's a story of growth, care, and continuous improvement, a story that makes every sip that much sweeter.
Ever catch yourself daydreaming about the magic behind your favorite treats? Imagine stepping into a world where precision, passion, and state-of-the-art technology come together to create something extraordinary. Welcome to our mega factory, where Ferrero Rocher is born, crafted meticulously, step by step, from raw ingredients to that irresistible, perfectly finished confection. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to reveal every secret of this amazing process. As you drive up to the sprawling complex of our factory, you can almost feel the energy pulsing through the air. This isn't just any production facility. It's a bustling hub where innovation meets tradition. Here, every detail matters, and every machine, every human touch, plays a vital role in transforming simple ingredients into the delectable Ferrero Rocher you know and love. Before we dive into the nuts and bolts of the process, let's set the stage. This factory is designed for efficiency and excellence. From the moment raw materials arrive, through their intricate dance along the assembly lines, to the final quality checks and packaging, every step is carefully managed to ensure you get nothing but the best. And it all starts here, at the door of innovation. Our journey begins with the arrival of the star ingredients. The magic of Ferrero Rocher starts with the highest quality raw materials. Every day, shipments of the finest cocoa, premium hazelnuts, fresh dairy cream, and a secret blend of other natural ingredients roll into the factory. These components are chosen not only for their quality, but also for the rich flavors they bring to the table. Here, quality is paramount. each batch is rigorously inspected upon arrival, ensuring that every nut, every grain meets strict standards. Our expert team works alongside advanced scanning and sorting technologies, making sure that only the best make it to the next stage. It's this meticulous attention to detail that guarantees every Ferrero Rocher is as delightful as the last. Once the raw materials pass their initial inspection, it's time for them to be prepared for the magic that follows. In a dedicated area of the factory, ingredients are carefully weighed, measured, and blended to create the perfect base for our chocolate delicacy. This is where science meets art, where precise measurements and secret recipes come together in perfect harmony. Our master chocolatiers and food scientists have spent years perfecting this formula. Every scoop of cocoa and every dash of cream is calibrated to deliver that distinct, memorable taste. The mixtures are then fed into high-speed mixers where they're blended until they reach a smooth, velvety consistency. This process not only ensures a uniform flavor, but also prepares the blend for the next stage, where it will begin its transformation into the iconic Ferrero Rocher. With our blend perfected, the next step is molding, an essential stage that gives Ferrero Rocher its signature shape and texture. In this section of the factory, advanced robotic arms and precision molds work together seamlessly. The liquid chocolate mixture is poured into specially designed molds that will eventually form the outer shell of each confection. Every mold is designed to capture every detail of the finished product. The careful distribution of chocolate ensures that each piece has a perfectly uniform shell, crisp on the outside yet irresistibly smooth on the inside. And as the chocolate sets, it begins to take on the familiar contours that you instantly recognize as Ferrero Rocher. Next comes one of the most exciting parts of the process, the filling and assembly stage. After the chocolate has hardened in its molds, it's time to add the rich, luscious filling. Here, a blend of hazelnut cream and other secret ingredients is precisely injected into the center of each chocolate shell, creating a burst of flavor with every bite. It's a delicate balance. Too little filling, and you lose the signature taste. Too much, and the harmony of flavors is off. Our automated systems, paired with human oversight, ensure that each confection is filled just right. This stage is a testament to our commitment to perfection, blending cutting-edge automation with the artistry of handcrafted attention. Now that the filling is perfectly nestled inside, it's time for the finishing touch, the chocolate coating. This is where the confection is given that extra layer of decadence, a glossy, smooth finish that not only protects the delicate filling, but also adds an irresistible crunch. The dipping process is as much an art as it is a science. The chocolate is maintained at just the right temperature, ensuring it flows smoothly and evenly coats every piece. As each confection emerges from the dip, it glistens under the factory lights, ready for the next phase of its journey. You can almost see the promise of delight in every perfectly coated Ferrero Rocher. After the meticulous coating, the chocolates are gently guided through a series of cooling tunnels. This step is crucial. It allows the chocolate to set firmly, locking in the flavors and textures developed during the earlier stages. The controlled environment of these tunnels ensures that the chocolates cool at a consistent pace, preventing any unwanted condensation or imperfections. It might seem like a simple step, but the cooling process is an art form in itself. The exact temperature and duration are carefully calibrated to preserve the integrity of every Ferrero Rocher. This is where science meets sensory delight, as the chocolate transitions from a pliable liquid to a crisp, delightful shell that's ready to be savored. At this point, almost every Ferrero Rocher has taken shape, but before they can reach your hands, they undergo rigorous quality control. This is perhaps the most critical phase of the entire production process. Every piece is meticulously inspected to ensure it meets our exacting standards of taste, texture, and appearance. Using a combination of advanced imaging technology and hands-on inspection, our quality control team leaves nothing to chance. Any chocolate that doesn't meet our high standards is immediately set aside, ensuring that only the best products make it to the packaging line. This relentless commitment to quality means that every bite of Ferrero Rocher is a promise of perfection. With quality control complete, it's time to wrap up our journey, literally. The final step in our process is packaging, where each Ferrero Rocher is carefully placed into its elegant wrapper, ready to be enjoyed by chocolate lovers around the world. Every box of Ferrero Rocher is designed to not only protect the delicate confection, but also to enhance the unboxing experience. The packaging is sleek, modern, and reflective of the premium quality within. As each box is sealed, you can feel the anticipation, knowing that a little piece of our passion and craftsmanship is now ready to bring joy to someone's day. While our state-of-the-art machines do much of the heavy lifting, none of this would be possible without the incredible team behind the scenes. From the food scientists who perfected the recipe to the skilled technicians who operate the machinery, every person here plays a crucial role in making Ferrero Rocher a reality. It's a harmonious blend of human ingenuity and technological precision. Our team's dedication, creativity, and commitment to excellence are the true driving forces behind every piece of chocolate that leaves this factory. Their passion is woven into the very fabric of Ferrero Rocher, making it not just a treat for your taste buds, but a testament to what can be achieved when people work together with a shared vision. And now we arrive at the grand finale. After a journey through precision, passion, and perfection, the final Ferrero Rocher stands ready to be enjoyed. Look at that shine, that perfect balance of color, texture, and design. It's a work of art that's almost too beautiful to eat. Almost. This isn't just chocolate, it's the culmination of an intricate process, a blend of time-honored techniques and modern innovation. Every bite is a journey from the factory floor to your senses, delivering a burst of flavor that's as satisfying as it is surprising. So there you have it, a behind-the-scenes look at how Ferrero Rocher is made in our mega factory, step by step. From the careful selection of raw materials, through the precise molding and filling, to the final touches of coating, cooling, and quality control, every stage of this process is dedicated to creating a confection that not only tastes amazing, but is made with passion and precision. Next time you unwrap a Ferrero Rocher, take a moment to savor not just the taste, but the incredible journey it took to reach you. It's a story of innovation, teamwork, and the relentless pursuit of excellence, a story that makes every bite a little more special.
Ever wondered how a tiny egg transforms into the chicken on your dinner plate? At this mega factory, it happens on a massive scale every single day. From cutting-edge egg incubation technology to high-efficiency broiler houses, we're about to uncover how millions of chickens are hatched and raised to feed a global demand. It all begins at specialized breeder farms, where fertilized eggs are collected and sorted to ensure only the healthiest make it here. Cracked or abnormal eggs are removed. The surviving eggs are packed in climate-controlled trucks. Temperature and handling are crucial to protect the embryos inside. By the time they arrive at this facility, they're ready for incubation. Welcome to the hatchery, where technology meets nature. These high-tech incubators create the perfect environment a mother hen would provide, but on an industrial scale. Each machine regulates temperature around 37.5 degree, 99.5 degree, and maintains precise humidity levels. Automated racks rotate the eggs multiple times a day, preventing the embryo from sticking to the shell. Sensors inside feed real-time data to control panels, allowing staff to adjust settings if anything drifts off target. Even a fraction of a degree matters. Too hot and the embryos develop too quickly. Too cold and they fall behind. The result? Thousands of eggs gently nurtured into healthy, viable chicks. After about a week, it's time to see which eggs are on track. This process is called candling. A bright light illuminates the interior of each shell, making the developing embryo visible. Non-viable eggs are removed to maintain optimal conditions for the rest. Modern facilities sometimes use automated candling systems, quickly scanning thousands of eggs an hour with remarkable accuracy. Whether manual or high-tech, the goal is the same. Keep only the eggs that promise strong, healthy chicks. At around day 9, eggs move from the main incubators to specialized hatchers. Here, the humidity ramps up, making it easier for chicks to break through the shell. Over the next few days, each chick absorbs the last of its yolk for energy, cracks the shell from inside, and emerges ready to explore the world. Within hours, they're fluffing up, chirping, and moving onto conveyor belts or into small crates. These newly hatched chicks are surprisingly resilient, but they still need a carefully controlled environment to thrive. Once hatched, the chicks head straight to the broiler houses. Don't be fooled by the barn-like look. Behind the scenes, advanced systems control everything from temperature to ventilation. Day-old chicks rely on additional heat sources, often from gas heaters or infrared brooders, to maintain a cozy 32-35 degree, 90-95 degrees. Automated fans and vents ensure fresh air circulates while keeping dust and ammonia levels in check. Proper lighting schedules encourage healthy feeding and resting cycles. For the first few days, these tiny fluff balls spend much of their time learning to eat, drink, and explore their new home. Nutrition plays a huge role in how fast and efficiently broilers grow. That's why many facilities have custom feed formulations for each growth stage. Starter feed, high in protein and energy to help chicks develop strong bones and immune systems. Grower feed, balanced to sustain steady muscle growth without overloading their system. Finisher feed, fine-tuned to maximize weight gain and meat quality just before market. Automated feeders shuttle these specially formulated pellets or crumbles along tracks, ensuring every chick has consistent access. Sophisticated sensors track feed levels and even monitor how much the birds are eating. That data helps farm managers tweak the diet or environment in real time. Modern broilers are designed for rapid growth. Within 6 to 8 weeks, these once tiny chicks balloon in size, reaching weights of about 2 to 3 kilograms, 4.4 to 6.6 pounds. Regular weigh-ins, coupled with software tracking feed intake and water consumption, help maintain a healthy balance. Any sudden drop in consumption might signal illness, while spikes can indicate a thriving flock. Technicians walk through the barns daily, looking for signs of discomfort, unusual behavior, or disease. With tens of thousands of birds in a single barn, early detection of any issue can prevent a widespread outbreak. Biosecurity protocols, showering in, wearing sanitized gear, and disinfecting footwear to keep viruses or bacteria from entering. Vaccination programs protect flocks against common poultry diseases, sometimes administered via spray in the hatchery or through their drinking water. Rodent control measures and constant monitoring of the barn environment further reduce risks. Healthy birds produce higher quality meat and keep the entire supply chain stable. By 6 to 8 weeks, these birds have nearly reached market weight. Facilities aim for a precise balance, a chicken big enough to satisfy market demands without going so heavy that leg issues or overcrowding occur. When the time comes, broilers are carefully caught, either by hand or using automated systems, and placed into transport crates. Stress reduction is key. Gentle handling preserves meat quality and upholds welfare standards. Trucks are often climate controlled, ensuring the birds remain comfortable en route to processing. As demand for chicken meat grows, so do concerns over ethics and sustainability. Many mega facilities invest in waste-to-fertilizer systems to recycle litter. Renewable energy projects like solar arrays on barn roofs and advanced water recycling methods. Some operations also adjust lighting and spacing to reduce stress and improve overall welfare. While practices vary by region and brand, a growing number of consumers want reassurance that the chicken on their plate was raised responsibly. And that's the story of how a tiny fertilized egg transforms into a fully grown broiler chicken, ready to meet the world's appetite. From sophisticated incubation machines that mimic a hen's warmth, to climate-controlled broiler houses carefully overseeing every stage of growth, this is modern chicken production on a massive scale. It's a precise balancing act of science, technology, and careful oversight, all to bring a reliable, affordable source of protein to tables worldwide.
The journey of our French fry begins long before it enters the factory floor. It all starts with sourcing the highest quality potatoes from trusted farms. These farms follow strict agricultural practices to ensure that the potatoes are grown in nutrient-rich soil, free from harmful chemicals, and harvested at just the right time for optimum taste and texture. Upon arrival at the facility, every potato undergoes a thorough inspection. Automated sorting systems and experienced experienced quality control technicians work together to weed out any potatoes that don't meet the company's high standards. Size, shape, color, and firmness are all meticulously checked. Only those tubers that pass the rigorous criteria move on to the next stage. This attention to detail is crucial because the quality of the raw potato directly impacts the flavor and texture of the final product. At this point, you might wonder, why is quality control so important? Well, each potato is a promise of consistency, crunch, and that irresistible flavor you crave with every bite. And in a world where mass production meets gourmet taste, nothing is left to chance. Once the potatoes have been carefully selected, the next step in the process is washing. Picture large conveyor belts carrying the potatoes into enormous washing stations where high-pressure jets of water blast away any dirt, debris, or residual chemicals. The water used is not just any water, it's filtered and recycled through multiple stages to maintain the highest standards of hygiene and sustainability. Workers and machines work side by side here, ensuring every potato is perfectly clean. The vibrant colors and textures of the raw potatoes glistening under the wash lights create a mesmerizing visual, a reminder of the natural origins of this industrial process. After the thorough cleaning, the potatoes are guided into peeling machines. These sophisticated devices are engineered to remove the skin with minimal waste while preserving the integrity of the potato flesh inside. The peeling process is both a marvel of modern technology and an art form in itself. Machines adjust to the size and shape of each potato, ensuring an even peel every time. For those potatoes that still require a bit of manual touch-up, skilled workers step in to guarantee perfection. The combination of technology and human expertise ensures that every potato is prepared to become the perfect French fry. Clean, peeled, and primed, the tubers are now ready to take the next big leap in their journey. Now comes one of the most critical steps in making French fries: cutting. Here, precision is key. The clean, peeled potatoes are transferred to automated cutting machines designed to slice them into perfectly uniform strips. Uniformity is essential not only for aesthetic reasons, but also to ensure even cooking. Each cut must be just right to guarantee that every fry cooks at the same rate and reaches the ideal crispiness. Imagine the rhythmic hum of the slicing machines as they work in unison. The machines are calibrated to cut each potato into strips of the same size and thickness with a precision that would make a master chef proud. The resulting potato strips, glistening with freshness, fall gracefully onto a conveyor belt, ready for their next transformation. For some factories, the process involves multiple cutting stages. The initial cut might shape the potato into thick wedges, which are then refined into the slender sticks that most of us recognize as French fries. This two-stage process ensures that the fries have a satisfying crunch on the outside while remaining soft and fluffy on the inside. During this stage, the factory floor is alive with energy. Operators monitor the machines closely, making small adjustments to account for any variation in potato size or texture. It's a perfect blend of machine efficiency and human intuition, a true testament to the precision of modern manufacturing. With the potatoes sliced and ready, the next step is blanching, a process that might seem surprising but is absolutely essential to achieving that perfect fry. Blanching involves briefly immersing the potato strips in hot water or steam. This step serves multiple purposes. It helps to remove excess starch, sets the color, and pre-cooks the fries so that they finish perfectly during the final frying. In the blanching stage, the fries enter large tanks or continuous steam tunnels. The water is maintained at an optimal temperature to gently cook the potatoes without softening them too much. The process is quick, just a few minutes, yet it makes a huge difference in texture and taste. By removing excess starch, the fries are less likely to clump together during frying, resulting in individually crisp pieces that are easier to season and enjoy. During blanching, you can almost see the transformation taking place. The raw, vibrant potato strips begin to take on a more uniform appearance, readying themselves for the next heat-intensive step. It's like watching a caterpillar transform into a butterfly. Each stage is critical in the metamorphosis that leads to the final irresistible snack. Now comes the heart of the process, the frying. Once the fries have been blanched, they are carefully removed from the hot water and drained. They then move on to the frying section, where the magic of crispiness truly happens. The fries enter deep fryers filled with oil that has been preheated to the perfect temperature. In this controlled environment, the blanched potato strips are submerged in hot oil. The transformation is immediate. The water inside the potatoes turns to steam, puffing up the fries, while the oil crisps the exterior into a delectable golden crust. It's a high-energy ballet of heat and texture. Factory fryers are marvels of engineering. They are designed to maintain a consistent temperature, ensuring that every batch of fries is cooked evenly. Automated timers and sensors monitor the process closely, taking the guesswork out of frying. After frying, they are quickly transferred to a cooling system where excess oil is drained away, ensuring that every fry is light, not greasy. This careful balance of heat, timing, and precision is what creates the iconic French fry texture we all crave. The finishing touch. Once the fries have cooled, the next stage is all about quality control and that final burst of flavor. In any factory, quality is paramount, and this is no exception. Every batch of fries is subjected to rigorous checks. Automated sensors, as well as experienced quality control teams, examine the fries for the ideal golden color, uniform size, and perfect texture. Any fry that doesn't meet the high standards is set aside, ensuring that only the best reach you. Next comes the seasoning process. The cooling fries are gently tossed in a precisely measured blend of salt and, in some cases, other proprietary seasonings. The seasoning process is as much an art as it is a science. Too little seasoning and the fries might taste bland. Too much and they could be overwhelming. The goal is to enhance the natural flavor of the potato while adding a satisfying burst of saltiness with every bite. The seasoning machines are designed to evenly distribute the spices. As the fries tumble along on a conveyor belt, a fine mist of seasoning settles over them, clinging to every surface. With the seasoning complete, the fries are now ready for the final step: packaging. This stage is where all the hard work comes together, and the fries are prepared for their journey to stores, restaurants, and ultimately your plate. In the packaging section, automated lines take over. The seasoned fries move along carefully calibrated conveyor belts, where they are sorted into portions that meet precise weight standards. Modern packaging machines then seal the fries in airtight bags or boxes to preserve their freshness, crunch, and flavor. The packaging not only protects the fries during transport, but also serves as a visual reminder of the quality and care that went into making them. The design of the packaging often reflects the brand's identity: bold, eye-catching graphics paired with messages that highlight the quality and care of the production process. As you watch the packaging line in action, you see a symphony of robotics and human oversight working in tandem, ensuring that each package is a promise of delicious, crispy perfection before leaving the factory. Each package is given one final quality check. Automated scanners and visual inspections confirm that the right quantity is packaged and that the fries inside maintain the ideal texture and flavor. Once approved, the packages are boxed up and loaded onto delivery trucks, ready to make their way to markets, restaurants, and eventually to your table.
Ever wondered how nature's golden nectar transforms into a pure, organic treasure available in bulk for the world to enjoy? Step inside the world of American honey factories, where the art of turning buzzing beehives into large-scale honey supplies is a mesmerizing blend of tradition, innovation, and strict organic integrity. In just moments, you'll discover the fascinating journey from bee to bottle. A process so efficient and intricate that each drop tells a story of nature's magic and human ingenuity working in harmony. Harvesting honey from beehives. The process begins at the source, beehives filled with golden organic honey. Beekeepers collect honeycombs from hives that meet organic criteria, no synthetic pesticides or antibiotics used in the vicinity. The hives are inspected and the harvested frames are carefully removed to ensure sustainability of the bee colony. Beekeepers use smoke to calm the bees and safely extract the frames, keeping contamination minimal and adhering to organic practices. Transportation to the factory. Once the honeycombs are collected, they are transported in temperature-controlled containers to the American factory. This step is crucial to preserve the honey's natural enzymes and prevent fermentation. Factories often have direct relationships with local organic apiaries, allowing for seamless transportation that maintains the organic certification of the raw product. Initial inspection and sorting. Upon arrival at the factory, the honeycombs undergo a thorough inspection. Technicians check for debris, wax quality, and any foreign materials to ensure that only the highest quality honey continues in the production line. Sorting is essential to separate fully filled honeycombs from those that need further processing. This step sets the stage for an efficient extraction process, aligning with organic and quality assurance standards. Extraction using centrifugation. The primary method of extracting honey in modern American factories is centrifugation. Once the honeycombs are removed, they are placed in an extractor, a device that spins the frames at high speeds. Centrifugation causes the honey to leave the comb and collect at the bottom of the extractor. This method is efficient, quick, and preserves the integrity of the honey, ensuring that its organic properties remain intact. The extraction process is designed to maximize yield while minimizing stress on the honey itself. Draining and settling. After centrifugation, the extracted honey is drained from the extractor into large stainless steel tanks. Gravity helps in settling out any remaining wax particles, beeswax, or other debris. Settling tanks allow impurities to rise to the top or sink to the bottom, where they can be removed manually or with automated skimming devices. The honey that remains at the bottom is then ready for the next stage, offering clarity and purity as required by organic standards. Filtration and purification. Filtering is a critical step in organic honey production. The honey passes through a series of filters, starting with coarse screens to remove larger particles, followed by finer filters that eliminate small impurities like pollen and wax fragments. Some factories employ ultrafiltration techniques which ensure that the honey remains free of contaminants while preserving its natural enzymes, flavor, and beneficial compounds. This step is meticulous to maintain pasteurization is needed to eliminate yeast and prevent fermentation during storage. Factories use low-temperature techniques to preserve the honey's beneficial qualities. These procedures are carefully managed to align with organic guidelines, ensuring no chemical additives are introduced. Quality assurance and testing. Before packaging, bulk organic honey is subjected to rigorous quality assurance tests. Samples from each batch are sent to laboratories where they are checked for moisture content, purity, and compliance with organic standards. Testing for contaminants such as pesticides, antibiotics, or adulterants is vital. Additionally, sensory analysis may be conducted to ensure flavor consistency. The data from these tests help assure customers of the quality and authenticity of the organic honey. Storage in controlled conditions. Quality-approved honey is then stored in large, food-grade stainless steel tanks within controlled environments. Temperature and humidity are monitored to prevent crystallization or spoilage. The storage tanks are sealed to maintain the honey's organic integrity by avoiding contamination from external elements. Packaging for bulk distribution. Once the honey meets all quality benchmarks, it's time for packaging. Bulk organic honey is typically packaged in large containers such as drums, totes, or even large-scale barrels. Some factories also offer palletized bags or factory-grade bottles for smaller bulk orders. The packaging lines are automated to handle large volumes efficiently while preserving the honey's purity. These facilities ensure that containers are sealed properly to prevent contamination during storage and transportation. Labeling and documentation. Each container of bulk organic honey is labeled with pertinent information, including batch numbers, organic certification details, production date, and any testing results. Documentation accompanies the shipment, outlining compliance with USDA organic standards and providing traceability data. This transparency builds trust among buyers, supermarkets, and wholesale distributors that the honey they are purchasing meets stringent organic guidelines. Compliance with organic standards. Throughout every step, American factories ensure compliance with organic standards. This includes the absence of synthetic chemicals in the entire production cycle, from the bee's environment to the cleaning agents used in the factory. Regular audits by certification bodies verify that every process adheres to the rules. Compliance not only assures consumers of the product's organic nature, but also reinforces the manufacturer's reputation in a competitive market. Purity. Sustainability practices in production. Sustainability is a key aspect of organic honey production. Factories adopt energy-efficient equipment and sustainable packaging materials to minimize their environmental footprint. Waste from honeycomb processing, such as beeswax, is often repurposed for other products like candles, cosmetics, or organic additives. By integrating sustainability into their operations, manufacturers not only follow organic principles but also contribute to environmental conservation. Health and safety protocols. Worker safety and hygiene are paramount in honey production facilities. Employees wear protective clothing, gloves, and hairnets to prevent contamination of the product. Facilities follow strict sanitation schedules, and equipment is routinely cleaned and sterilized using food-safe methods. These protocols ensure that the honey remains free from pathogens and that the workforce maintains high safety standards, further supporting the organic nature of the product. Handling seasonal variations. Honey production is influenced by seasonal variations in nectar flow and bee activity. Factories plan their operations around peak harvest times to maximize efficiency. Advanced forecasting models predict honey yield based on weather patterns and floral sources. During surplus production, extra storage capacity and streamlined processing lines help manage increased volumes. Efficient handling of seasonal variations ensures consistent supply of bulk organic honey to meet market demand. The role of organic certification. Organic certification bodies play an integral role in overseeing the production process. Regular inspections and audits confirm that every aspect, from beekeeping practices to factory operations, aligns with organic standards. Certification provides an extra layer of credibility and reassures customers that the honey they receive is genuinely organic, with no synthetic additives or genetically modified inputs. Transporting bulk organic honey to market. Once packaged and labeled, the bulk organic honey is transported to distributors, retailers, or directly to bulk buyers. Transportation vehicles are cleaned and designated exclusively for organic products to prevent cross-contamination. Temperature-controlled shipping ensures that the honey remains in optimal condition during transit. Reliable logistics and careful handling help maintain the integrity of the product from the factory to its final destination. Meeting consumer demand. Large-scale production of organic honey is driven by consumer demand for pure, natural sweeteners. American factories are equipped to handle vast quantities while preserving the artisanal quality that consumers value. Bulk organic honey is used not only by food manufacturers and retailers, but also for export around the world. By maintaining high production standards, these factories meet both quality expectations and supply chain requirements. Innovation in honey processing techniques. The industry continually seeks innovation to improve honey processing techniques. Research into new filtration methods, energy-efficient centrifugation, and sustainable packaging are ongoing. Factories adopt these innovations to reduce costs, increase yield, and enhance product quality. The integration of new technologies and innovative practices ensures that bulk organic honey remains a high-demand premium product on the global market. Traceability and blockchain integration. Some American factories are now integrating blockchain technology to enhance traceability in the supply chain. Each batch of bulk organic honey is assigned a unique identifier that can be tracked from the hive to the final packaged product. This transparency allows consumers and partners to verify the authenticity of the honey and its organic credentials at every step. Blockchain integration has become a powerful tool for building trust and transparency in the production process. Environmental impact reduction. American honey factories strive to reduce their environmental impact by implementing eco-friendly practices. Water recycling systems clean honey without wasting precious resources, and renewable energy sources power many of the factory operations. Waste products like empty honeycombs and wax residues are processed and repurposed. These measures ensure that bulk organic honey production supports sustainability and reduces the footprint on the environment. Continuous improvement and staff training. A skilled workforce is essential for maintaining high standards in organic honey production. Factories invest in continuous training programs for their staff, covering best practices in safety, quality assurance, and new technology usage. Regular workshops and certifications ensure employees are up to date on the latest industry standards and organic protocols. This focus on education translates into improved processes, higher quality products, and efficient operations. Customer feedback and market adaptation. Feedback from bulk buyers and end consumers drives improvements in production. Factories monitor customer reviews, conduct surveys, and engage in direct communication with partners to understand expectations and preferences. This feedback loop allows manufacturers to tweak processes, enhance product consistency, and introduce new packaging solutions. Adaptation to market demands without compromising organic standards is a key strength of American bulk honey factories. Conclusion: bulk organic honey production in American factories is a sophisticated blend of traditional beekeeping knowledge and cutting-edge industrial processes. Each step, from harvesting and extraction to packaging and distribution, is optimized for efficiency, quality, and adherence to strict organic standards. By focusing on sustainability, technological innovation, and continuous improvement, these factories ensure that consumers receive pure, high-quality organic honey in large quantities. This voice-over narration has walked you through the efficient, modern process of bulk organic honey production, providing a clear understanding of how this precious natural product reaches your table while maintaining its organic purity and quality. Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of slime manufacturing. In this video, we will explore how slimes are made in bulk in factories, offering you a behind-the-scenes look at the process. As a slime enthusiast or potential entrepreneur looking to understand bulk slime production, you will learn about the intricacies of the slime factory, the materials used, and the methods employed to create a variety of slimes at scale. Understanding the slime factory environment. Slime factories are fascinating spaces where creativity meets science. The production environment is often filled with vibrant colors, mixing tanks, conveyor belts, and quality control stations. In this section, we will walk you through the factory floor, highlighting how each step is optimized for efficient mass production. Whether you are curious about how slime is mixed, colored, and packaged, or interested in the machinery behind bulk slime production, this comprehensive tour covers it all. We will also discuss safety protocols and hygiene standards that ensure the highest quality product. The ingredients behind the magic bulk slime production begins with sourcing high-quality ingredients. Factories purchase materials such as glue, water, borax, activators, pigments, glitters, and foam beads in large quantities. Each ingredient plays a key role in crafting the perfect slime texture, elasticity, and color. By analyzing the chemical reactions and ratios involved in slime making, viewers gain insights into why certain combinations yield different textures, from fluffy and airy to thick and stretchy. The mixing process, from raw materials to slime. Once the ingredients are ready, the actual manufacturing process starts with mixing. Bulk slime is produced using large industrial mixers that combine glue, water, and additives on a massive scale. Automated mixing systems ensure consistency and quality throughout production. The process is carefully monitored, adjusting the ratios to achieve desired textures and colors. Voiceover narration will take you through the step-by-step procedure, emphasizing terms like bulk mixing, automated slime production, and industrial slime process. Automation and technological advances. The role of automation in slime factories cannot be overstated. Modern factories use computerized systems to regulate temperature, viscosity, and mixing speeds, ensuring each batch of slime meets strict quality standards. Technology like programmable logic controllers, PLCs, and robotic arms streamline operations, reduce human error, and increase output. By including phrases like automated slime factories and technology in slime production, this narration not only guides viewers through the factory tour, quality control and consistency. Maintaining consistency in bulk slime production is crucial for customer satisfaction. Quality control measures are implemented at every stage of the process, from raw material inspection to final packaging. In the quality control rooms, experts test viscosity, stretchability, and color uniformity to ensure each batch meets predetermined standards. This attention to detail prevents defects and ensures that consumers receive high-quality slime every time. Safety and environmental considerations. Factories prioritize safety and environmental considerations when manufacturing slime. Proper handling of chemicals, waste management, and safety protocols protect both workers and the environment. In this section, we discuss the eco-friendly practices adopted by slime factories, including recycling materials, minimizing waste, and adhering to local safety regulations. Using keywords such as eco-friendly slime manufacturing and safe slime production not only positions the content well for search engines, but also shows viewers the ethical side of bulk slime creation. Varieties of slime produced in bulk. Slime factories produce a wide variety of slime types to cater to diverse customer preferences. From classic stretchy slimes to glittery, fluffy, and crunchy variants, each type requires a unique recipe and production technique. The factory floor buzzes with different mixing stations dedicated to each variety. As we describe the process for making different slimes, custom colors and effects. Customization is a significant aspect of the slime industry. Factories often produce slime in a spectrum of colors, adding effects like glitters, beads, and scents to create unique products. This part of the narration explores how colorants and additives are mixed into batches and how adjustments to the process can yield slimes with mesmerizing effects like glow-in-the-dark or aroma-infused varieties. Packaging and bulk distribution. Once the slime is produced, the next step is packaging. In bulk slime factories, automated packaging lines fill containers or bags with slime, seal them, and label them for shipment. This efficient system ensures that packaging is consistent and safe for transport. We'll explain how different packaging designs cater to various markets, whether for retail displays, online orders, or special promotional boxes. The business of slime, market demand, and trends understanding. The market demand for slime helps factories adjust production volumes and innovate new products. The popularity of slime on social media platforms, coupled with its educational and stress relief benefits, has driven an explosion in demand. This part covers how consumer trends influence factory production decisions, from increasing certain textures to exploring new ingredients. The science behind slime creation. Behind every perfect batch of slime lies a fascinating blend of chemistry and physics. This section will delve into the science behind slime creation, the polymer chains that give slime its elasticity, the cross-linking agents that transform liquid into goo, and the effects of additives on texture and appearance. By demystifying the science, we not only educate our audience, but also optimize for keywords like slime chemistry, polymer science in slime, and how slime works. This detailed explanation caters to viewers interested in learning more than just the surface details of slime production. Sustainability in slime manufacturing. Sustainability is increasingly important in every industry, including slime manufacturing. Factories are now implementing eco-friendly practices such as using biodegradable materials, reducing waste, and optimizing energy consumption during production. By spotlighting these initiatives, the narration appeals to environmentally conscious viewers. Incorporating keywords like sustainable slime production, eco-friendly slime factory, and green manufacturing practices not only highlights positive industry changes, customization for bulk buyers. Bulk slime manufacturing offers customization for retailers, schools, and entertainment venues. Factories work closely with clients to produce slimes tailored to specific themes, events, or branding requirements. This could mean creating slimes in corporate colors, scented slimes for sensory play, or themed slimes for parties. We will discuss how businesses approach slime factories for custom orders, negotiate quantities, and influence production processes. Quality assurance and customer satisfaction. In bulk production, quality assurance is key to maintaining customer satisfaction. Factories often implement multiple checkpoints where samples are taken and tested for compliance with safety and quality standards. Customer feedback loops are established to continuously improve the products based on reviews and market response. By emphasizing customer satisfaction and quality assurance in slime manufacturing. Marketing slime in the digital age. The rise of social media and digital marketing has revolutionized how slime products are promoted and sold. Factories collaborate with influencers, run online campaigns, and leverage platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok to reach slime enthusiasts. The impact of bulk slime production on the economy. Bulk slime manufacturing isn't just about creating fun products, it also contributes to the economy. Factories create jobs, support local suppliers, and drive exports. By discussing economic benefits, investment opportunities, and market growth, we provide a comprehensive look at how the slime industry fits into larger economic trends. Tips for aspiring slime entrepreneurs. For viewers dreaming of entering the slime business, this section provides valuable tips on starting small, scaling production, and understanding market dynamics. We cover essential considerations like sourcing quality ingredients, complying with safety standards, and marketing products effectively. The future of slime, trends and innovations. Looking ahead, the slime industry shows no signs of slowing down. New trends such as biodegradable slime, educational kits, and sensory-friendly products are emerging. Factories are investing in research and development to innovate and stay ahead of consumer demand. We will explore potential future advancements in slime production, like smart slimes that change color with temperature or incorporate interactive elements. The journey of how slimes are made in bulk in factories is a blend of art, science, and business acumen. From the initial mixing of ingredients to final packaging and shipping, every step is crucial in delivering quality products to consumers worldwide. We hope this detailed narration has provided you with insights into the fascinating world of slime manufacturing, answered your questions, and sparked new interests. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tours, industry insights, and creative tutorials related to slime and other DIY crafts. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more exciting topics with you. One, have you ever wondered what it takes to craft millions of McDonald's Egg McMuffins every single day? Imagine a symphony of precision, efficiency, and innovation working behind the scenes in bustling factories. Today, we're peeling back the layers of one of America's favorite breakfast icons to reveal the captivating process of bulk McMuffin production. Whether you're a curious foodie eager to uncover the secrets of your morning staple, an aspiring entrepreneur fascinated by large-scale manufacturing, or simply intrigued by the intricate dance of ingredients and machinery, this video is your exclusive pass. Join us as we journey from the selection of the freshest ingredients to the high-tech assembly lines that ensure every McMuffin is a masterpiece of taste and consistency. Get ready to dive deep into the mesmerizing world where your beloved Egg McMuffin comes to life. 2. Sourcing quality ingredients. The foundation of any great McMuffin begins with high-quality ingredients. McDonald's partners with trusted suppliers across the United States to procure premium eggs, Canadian bacon, and freshly baked English muffins. These suppliers adhere to strict quality control standards to ensure that each component meets McDonald's rigorous specifications. Sustainable farming practices and ethical sourcing are also prioritized, ensuring that the ingredients not only taste great, but are also responsibly produced. This commitment to quality starts the McMuffin's journey on the right foot. 3. Ingredient preparation and processing. Once the ingredients arrive at the factory, the preparation process begins. Fresh eggs are carefully cracked and whisked into a smooth mixture, ready to be cooked into perfectly round egg patties. Canadian bacon is sliced and heated to achieve the ideal texture and flavor. Meanwhile, the English muffins are toasted to a golden brown, providing the perfect base for the sandwich. Each ingredient is meticulously prepared to ensure consistency and taste, maintaining the McMuffin's signature flavor profile that customers love. 4. Automated cooking stations. McDonald's utilizes advanced automated cooking stations to streamline the production process. These machines are designed to cook eggs, bacon, and toast English muffins simultaneously, ensuring that every McMuffin is prepared efficiently without compromising quality. The automated systems are programmed to cook each component for precise times and temperatures, resulting in consistent taste and texture across every batch. This level of automation allows McDonald's to meet the high demand for McMuffins, especially during peak breakfast hours. 5. Assembly line efficiency. After the individual components are cooked, they move down the assembly line where skilled workers and additional automation come into play. The warm English muffin serves as the foundation, followed by the perfectly cooked egg patty and a slice of Canadian bacon. Each layer is carefully stacked to maintain the McMuffin structure and ensure that every bite delivers the perfect balance of flavors. The assembly line is designed for maximum efficiency, allowing McDonald's to produce thousands of McMuffins daily without sacrificing quality. 6. Quality control and consistency. Quality control is paramount in McDonald's bulk production process. Throughout the manufacturing journey, rigorous inspections are conducted at every stage to ensure that each McMuffin meets the company's high standards. From ingredient freshness to cooking times and assembly precision, every aspect is monitored and adjusted as needed. This commitment to consistency guarantees that customers receive the same delicious McMuffin experience every time they visit McDonald's, regardless of the location. 7. Packaging and distribution. Once assembled, the McMuffins are carefully packaged to maintain their freshness and warmth during transportation. McDonald's employs eco-friendly packaging materials that are both durable and sustainable, aligning with the company's commitment to environmental responsibility. The packaged McMuffins are then distributed to McDonald's restaurants across the country through a network of refrigerated transportation, ensuring that they arrive in perfect condition for customers to enjoy. 8. Technology and innovation in production. McDonald's continually invests in cutting-edge technology and innovative practices to enhance the efficiency and quality of their McMuffin production. From advanced cooking equipment to sophisticated inventory management systems, technology plays a crucial role in optimizing every step of the process. Automation not only increases production speed, but also minimizes human error, ensuring that each McMuffin is crafted to perfection. Additionally, ongoing research and development initiatives help McDonald's stay ahead of industry trends and customer preferences. 9. Workforce training and development. Behind every successful McMuffin is a team of dedicated and well-trained employees. McDonald's places a strong emphasis on workforce training and development, ensuring that all staff members are proficient in the production processes and quality standards. Comprehensive training programs cover everything from food safety protocols to efficient assembly techniques, empowering employees to contribute effectively to the bulk production of McMuffins. This investment in human capital ensures a smooth and efficient production line, resulting in consistent and high-quality products. 10. Sustainability and environmental impact. In today's environmentally conscious world, McDonald's is committed to reducing its environmental footprint throughout the McMuffin production process. This includes initiatives such as sourcing sustainable ingredients, minimizing waste through efficient production practices, and utilizing energy-efficient machinery. Additionally, McDonald's is continuously exploring ways to enhance its sustainability efforts, such as implementing recycling programs and reducing packaging materials. These efforts ensure that the production of McMuffins not only delights customers, but also aligns with global sustainability goals. 11. Ensuring food safety and hygiene. Maintaining the highest standards of food safety and hygiene is crucial in the bulk production of McMuffins. McDonald's adheres to strict food safety regulations and implements comprehensive hygiene protocols across all production facilities. Regular sanitation procedures, temperature controls, and employee hygiene training are integral parts of the process, ensuring that every McMuffin is safe for consumption. These measures help prevent contamination and ensure that customers can enjoy their McMuffins with confidence in their safety and quality. 12. Adapting to market demands and trends. The fast food industry is dynamic with changing consumer preferences and market trends. McDonald's remains agile in adapting its McMuffin production to meet these evolving demands. Whether it's introducing new flavors, accommodating dietary restrictions, or enhancing nutritional profiles, McDonald's continually innovates to keep the McMuffin relevant and appealing. By staying attuned to customer feedback and market research, McDonald's ensures that their bulk production processes are flexible and responsive to the needs of their diverse customer base. 13. The role of automation and robotics. Automation and robotics play a significant role in the bulk production of McMuffins, enhancing both efficiency and precision. Automated systems handle repetitive tasks such as ingredient dispensing, cooking, and assembly, reducing the likelihood of human error and increasing production speed. Robotics technology also allows for greater flexibility in the production line, enabling quick adjustments to accommodate different McMuffin variations or seasonal demands. This integration of automation ensures that McDonald's can maintain high production volumes while upholding stringent quality standards. 14. Logistics and supply chain management. Effective logistics and supply chain management are essential for the seamless production of McMuffins in bulk. McDonald's employs sophisticated supply chain strategies to coordinate the timely delivery of ingredients from suppliers to factories and then to restaurants. Real-time tracking systems monitor inventory levels, ensuring that production lines operate smoothly without interruptions due to ingredient shortages. Additionally, contingency plans are in place to address potential disruptions, maintaining the integrity and reliability of the McMuffin production process. 15. Customization and menu variety. While the classic Egg McMuffin remains a staple, McDonald's also offers a variety of customization options to cater to diverse tastes and preferences. The bulk production process is designed to accommodate these variations, allowing for easy modifications, such as adding cheese, bacon, or other toppings. This flexibility ensures that McDonald's can offer a wide range of McMuffin options without compromising the efficiency and consistency of bulk production. By providing menu variety, McDonald's appeals to a broader audience, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. 16. Energy efficiency and cost management. Managing energy consumption and production costs are critical aspects of bulk McMuffin manufacturing. McDonald's implements energy-efficient practices and invests in sustainable technologies to reduce operational costs and environmental impact. From utilizing energy-saving appliances to optimizing production schedules, every effort is made to ensure that the production process is both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Effective cost management allows McDonald's to maintain competitive pricing for their McMuffins while ensuring profitability and sustainability. 17. Continuous improvement and feedback loops. McDonald's embraces a culture of continuous improvement, regularly evaluating and refining their McMuffin production processes. Feedback loops involving employee input, customer reviews, and performance metrics are integral to identifying areas for enhancement. By analyzing production data and monitoring quality indicators, McDonald's can implement changes that boost efficiency, improve quality, and adapt to new challenges. This commitment to ongoing improvement ensures that the bulk production of McMuffins remains robust and responsive to the evolving market landscape. 18. Packaging innovations for freshness. Packaging plays a vital role in preserving the freshness and quality of McMuffins during distribution and storage. McDonald's employs innovative packaging solutions that maintain the ideal temperature and moisture levels, ensuring that each McMuffin arrives at restaurants ready to be served. Advanced materials and design features help extend shelf life and enhance the overall customer experience. Additionally, McDonald's continually explores eco-friendly packaging alternatives to reduce environmental impact while maintaining product integrity. 19. Automation in quality assurance. Quality assurance is seamlessly integrated into the bulk McMuffin production line through automation. Advanced sensors and monitoring systems track critical parameters such as temperature, cooking times, and ingredient proportions in real time. These automated quality checks ensure that each McMuffin meets the established standards before moving forward in the production process. 20. Future trends in McMuffin production. As we look to the future, McDonald's continues to innovate in the realm of bulk McMuffin production. Emerging trends such as plant-based ingredients, sustainable packaging, and personalized nutrition are shaping the next generation of breakfast sandwiches. McDonald's is investing in research and development to explore these trends, ensuring that their McMuffins remain relevant and appealing to a diverse and health-conscious customer base. By anticipating and adapting to future trends, McDonald's solidifies its position as a leader in the fast food industry. 21. The McMuffin manufacturing marvel. From sourcing the finest ingredients to employing cutting-edge technology and maintaining rigorous quality standards, the bulk production of McMuffins is a testament to McDonald's commitment to excellence. Every McMuffin that reaches your breakfast table has undergone a meticulously orchestrated process designed to deliver consistent taste, quality, and satisfaction. We hope this behind-the-scenes look has given you a deeper appreciation for the effort and innovation that goes into making one of America's favorite breakfast sandwiches. Bulk craft beer production in American factories. Millions of pints of craft beer being produced every year, each one bursting with unique flavors and aromas. How do American factories manage to brew such diverse and high-quality beers in bulk without losing their artisanal touch? Join us as we uncover the precise processes and cutting-edge techniques that transform raw ingredients into the liquid gold beloved by beer enthusiasts nationwide. From the first sip to the final packaging, discover the intricate journey that makes American craft beer a staple on tables everywhere. Selecting premium ingredients for craft beer. The foundation of any great craft beer lies in its ingredients. American craft breweries adhere to the German purity law of 1516, ensuring that their beer is made using only the finest components: water, barley, hops, and yeast. High-quality water is sourced from pristine locations, providing the perfect base for brewing. Specialty malts and a variety of hops are carefully selected to create diverse flavor profiles, while premium yeast strains are chosen to achieve the desired fermentation characteristics. Malting, preparing the barley for brewing. Malting is the first critical step in the beer making process. Barley grains are soaked in water to initiate germination, allowing enzymes to develop. This process converts the grain starches into fermentable sugars. Once the grains begin to sprout, they are carefully dried and roasted in kilns to produce malt. The roasting temperature and duration are meticulously controlled to develop specific flavors and colors in the malt, which will ultimately influence the beer's taste and appearance. Milling, grinding the malt for efficient extraction. After malting, the malt is stored in silos until it's ready to be milled. Milling involves grinding the malt into a coarse powder, which increases the surface area and facilitates the extraction of sugars during mashing. The malt mill crushes the grains without pulverizing them, ensuring that the husks remain intact. These husks play a vital role in the lautering process by forming a natural filter bed, which helps separate the liquid wort from the solid grain particles. Mashing, converting starches into sugars. The milled malt is then combined with warm water in a vessel known as the mash tun. This mixture, called the mash, is carefully heated and stirred to promote the activity of enzymes that convert starches into fermentable sugars. The temperature is gradually increased from around 45 degrees Celsius to 78 degrees Celsius, passing through various temperature rests that optimize enzymatic activity. This process, known as saccharification, is essential for producing a wort rich in sugars that yeast will later ferment into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Lautering, separating wort from grain. Once mashing is complete, the next step is lautering, where the liquid wort is separated from the solid grain particles. This is achieved in the lauter tun, where the mash is gently drained through a bed of grain husks, acting as a natural filter. Rotating blades or knives may be used to cut through the grain bed, ensuring a smooth flow of wort while effectively separating it from the spent grains. The clear wort is then collected for the boiling stage, while the spent grains are often repurposed as high-quality animal feed. Boiling, infusing hops for flavor and stability. The collected wort is transferred to a brew kettle, where it is boiled for up to 2 hours. During boiling, hops are added at various stages to impart bitterness, flavor, and aroma to the beer. The timing and type of hops used play a crucial role in defining the beer's character. Boiling also sterilizes the wort, eliminating any unwanted microorganisms and ensuring the beer's stability and shelf life. Additionally, proteins coagulate and precipitate during the boil, contributing to the beer's clarity. Whirlpooling. Clarifying the wort after boiling, the wort undergoes a whirlpool process to further clarify it. The wort is rapidly circulated in a whirlpool tank, creating a vortex that draws the remaining hop particles and proteins into a central cone. This sediment, known as trub, is then separated from the clear wort. The whirlpooling step ensures that the wort is as clear as possible before cooling, which is essential for producing a high-quality final product. Cooling, preparing the wort for fermentation. The clarified wort needs to be cooled quickly to a temperature suitable for yeast fermentation. This is achieved using a plate heat exchanger, where the hot wort is passed through plates cooled by chilled water or glycol. Rapid cooling is essential to prevent contamination and to prepare the wort for the addition of yeast. The efficient heat exchange process not only cools the wort, but also allows for the reuse of extracted heat in other parts of the brewery, enhancing energy efficiency. Fermentation, transforming wort into beer. Once cooled, the wort is transferred to fermentation tanks where yeast is added. The type of yeast used, top fermenting ale yeast or bottom fermenting lager yeast, determines the style of beer being produced. In ale fermentation, yeast floats to the top, producing fruity and complex flavors at warmer temperatures. In contrast, lager fermentation occurs at cooler temperatures, resulting in a cleaner and crisper taste. During fermentation, yeast consumes the sugars in the wort, producing alcohol and carbon dioxide, which give beer its characteristic effervescence. Conditioning, maturing the beer. After primary fermentation, the beer enters the conditioning phase. This stage involves storing the beer in temperature-controlled tanks for several weeks to months, allowing flavors to mature and unwanted byproducts to settle. Conditioning helps in developing the beer's final taste profile and clarity. During this time, additional hops may be added for dry hopping, enhancing the beer's aroma without increasing bitterness. The extended maturation ensures a smooth and well-balanced final product. Filtration, achieving clarity and stability. Once conditioning is complete, the beer undergoes filtration to remove any remaining yeast, proteins, and particulates. Filtration can be achieved through various methods, including plate and frame filters or membrane filters. For certain beer styles, such as hoppy IPAs, a lighter filtration process is preferred to retain more flavor and aroma compounds. Proper filtration not only enhances the beer's clarity, but also improves its shelf stability by removing elements that could cause haze or spoilage. Carbonation, enhancing flavor and mouthfeel. Carbonation is a critical aspect of beer production that affects both flavor and mouthfeel. After filtration, carbon dioxide may be injected into the beer to achieve the desired level of effervescence. Alternatively, natural carbonation can occur during fermentation if the beer is bottled or kegged with a small amount of residual sugar and yeast. The right level of carbonation enhances the beer's aroma, balances its flavors, and provides a refreshing sensation when consumed. Packaging, bottling, canning, and kegging. The final stage in bulk craft beer production is packaging. Beer is filled into various containers, including bottles, cans, and kegs, depending on distribution needs and consumer preferences. Automated packaging lines ensure that the beer is filled under hygienic conditions, minimizing exposure to oxygen and contaminants that could degrade quality. Advanced sealing techniques preserve the beer's freshness, flavor, and carbonation, ensuring that it reaches consumers in optimal condition. Quality control, ensuring consistency and excellence. Throughout the brewing process, rigorous quality control measures are implemented to maintain consistency and excellence in every batch. Samples are taken at multiple stages after mashing, boiling, fermentation, and packaging, and analyzed for factors such as alcohol content, bitterness, IBU, color, SRM, and clarity. Sensory evaluations, including taste tests, are conducted by expert panels to ensure that each batch meets the brewery's high standards. This commitment to quality ensures that consumers enjoy a reliable and exceptional product every time. Sustainability practices in craft beer production. Modern American craft breweries are increasingly adopting sustainable practices to minimize their environmental footprint. Energy-efficient brewing equipment, water recycling systems, and waste reduction initiatives are commonly implemented. Spent grains, a byproduct of brewing, are repurposed as animal feed or used in baking and other food products. Sustainable sourcing of ingredients, such as locally grown hops and organic barley, further supports eco-friendly brewing practices. These efforts not only benefit the environment, but also resonate with environmentally conscious consumers. Technology and innovation in bulk. Brewing technology plays a pivotal role in modern bulk craft beer production. Advanced automation systems streamline various stages of brewing, from ingredient handling to packaging, enhancing efficiency and consistency. Data analytics and real-time monitoring enable breweries to optimize processes, reduce waste, and maintain precise control over every aspect of production. Innovations such as automated fermentation controls, smart sensors, and AI-driven quality assessments are revolutionizing the craft beer industry, allowing breweries to produce high-quality beer at scale. Scaling craft beer production without compromising quality. Scaling up craft beer production to meet increasing demand while maintaining quality is a significant challenge for American breweries. To address this, breweries invest in scalable brewing systems that allow for flexible batch sizes and consistent results. Process optimization, meticulous ingredient sourcing, and robust quality control protocols ensure that large-scale production does not compromise the unique flavors and characteristics that define craft beer. By balancing tradition with innovation, American breweries successfully deliver artisanal quality beer to a broader audience. Distribution and logistics of bulk craft. Beer-efficient distribution and logistics are essential for delivering bulk craft beer to markets nationwide. Breweries collaborate with distributors to manage inventory, transportation, and storage, ensuring that beer remains fresh from the brewery to the consumer. Cold chain logistics are often employed to maintain optimal temperatures during transit, preserving the beer's quality and preventing spoilage. Strategic distribution networks and partnerships enable American craft breweries to reach a wide range of retail outlets, bars, and restaurants, expanding their market presence. The future of bulk craft beer production in America. The future of bulk craft beer production in America is bright, with continued growth and innovation on the horizon. Emerging trends include the development of new beer styles, experimentation with unconventional ingredients, and the integration of cutting-edge technologies to enhance brewing efficiency and sustainability. As consumer preferences evolve, breweries are increasingly focusing on personalized and localized beer offerings, catering to diverse tastes and supporting community engagement. The commitment to quality, creativity, and sustainability ensures that American craft beer remains a dynamic and beloved industry for years to come. The art and science of bulk craft beer. Brewing bulk craft beer production in American factories is a harmonious blend of art and science, where traditional brewing methods meet modern technology to create exceptional beverages. From selecting premium ingredients to implementing sustainable practices, every step in the process is meticulously managed to ensure the highest quality beer. As we've explored, the journey from grain to glass involves a series of carefully controlled stages, each contributing to the unique flavors and characteristics that define American craft beer. Whether enjoyed at a local brewery or purchased from a store shelf, each pint represents the dedication and passion of countless individuals committed to the craft of brewing. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of bulk craft beer production in factories. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Cheers to great beer this new year and the incredible craftsmanship behind every bottle.